Hey everyone, so we are tracking a potential windstorm heading into Wednesday for Christmas Eve, and there's still a lot of uncertainty. Just check this out right here. So this is from one of our in-house weather models, and it showed from a run earlier into Monday that some of those peak gusts heading into Wednesday afternoon were going to be around 50 to 55 miles per hour. Well, just a few hours later, now here into early Tuesday morning, it's backed off. It's back down to around 40 miles per hour. Doesn't seem like a huge difference, but it's not the only weather model we rely upon. There are others that are maybe even forecasting wind gusts up to 60, 70 plus miles per hour. While yes, there are those as well that are considerably lower. Big disagreement. What's going to be key though is where we see that area of low pressure track. If it's along and just off of the coast, then we're probably seeing that stronger scenario coming into play. While if it's a little more inland and a bit weaker, then we'll see the weaker winds really being more of a part of our forecast into Wednesday. Either way, I think we have a pretty good idea of what's going to be happening and when the strongest winds will be coming on through. That will be more late Wednesday morning to around sunset on Wednesday. So those hours between about 11 a.m. until about 4 p.m. I say all of this to say that our messaging here over the next 24 to 36 hours will kind of help to prepare you for the worst case scenario. Because if that does happen, we're talking about widespread power outages as well as maybe some damage as well. While at the same time, realizing that this storm could maybe turn out to be a complete dud. Either way, we want to make sure that you have all the information that you need, so make sure to keep in touch with us as we give you the latest information here over the next couple of days on King 5 Plus and King5.com. And also, make sure to take it easy here on us here in the weather community. It's going to be a tough forecast as we head over the next day and a half. Stay safe.